Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to post photos on TikTok. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! TikTok has become synonymous with short-form video almost as much as Google is with looking things up on a search engine. But what if you may not know is that TikTok allows user to post photo slideshow. So how to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can just tap on the plus icon on here and start to choose on the photos that you want to share. I will choose from my gallery. For the example, I will choose select multiple photos on my to post on my TikTok, which is this one, and also I will choose this one. Now after that, you can just tap on next. So here's the 3 photos that you just choose. Tap on next. Now you can add the caption on it on your TikTok video. After that, you can just post it. So your videos will be turns out like this. So simple, right? So that is how to post photos on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.